Welcome to this guided meditation for healing your inner child. Throughout life, we may carry wounds from our past, moments when we felt unheard, unseen, or unloved. This meditation is an opportunity to reconnect with your younger self, offering them the love, reassurance, and safety they have always deserved. By embracing your inner child, you nurture your own sense of wholeness and peace. Find a comfortable space where you can fully relax. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to settle into this moment, feeling safe and supported. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and release. With each breath, let go of any tension, any worries, and allow your body to soften. Imagine a warm, golden light gently surrounding you, wrapping you in comfort and safety. Now, in your mind's eye, visualize a beautiful pathway ahead. This path is lined with trees, their leaves rustling softly, carrying whispers of love. As you walk, you feel lighter, more at ease. Soon you see a younger version of yourself sitting in a peaceful clearing. This is your inner child, innocent, pure, and full of wonder. Take a moment to observe them. How old are they? What do they look like? Notice the expression, the energy. As you approach, your inner child looks up at you, eyes filled with curiosity and longing. They have been waiting for you. Gently kneel down and open your arms. Your inner child moves towards you as you embrace them. Feel the warmth of unconditional love flowing between you. Hold them close, letting them know they are safe, they are loved, and they are enough. Whisper softly to them, "You are safe with me. You are loved just as you are. You're worthy of happiness. I'll always be here for you." Feel any sadness, fear, or loneliness dissolve in the warmth of your love. Imagine a soft golden light surrounding both of you, healing any past wounds, filling any emptiness with peace and joy. Now, take your inner child's hand and walk back along the pathway together. With each step, you feel a deep sense of connection, as if the missing piece of yourself has returned home. You are whole. You are complete. As you reach the present moment, gently allow your inner child to merge into your heart, becoming a part of you once again, forever nurtured and loved. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this deep sense of love and reassurance with you. You are safe, you're loved, you're enough. Love and light.